Did you know that what you eat every day might be silently damaging your liver? Many foods we regularly consume are slowly chipping away at our liver's health, and most of us don't even realize it. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll uncover the 10 foods that harm your liver the most. And don't forget to stick around until the end, where I'll share 4 superfoods that can help restore your liver's health. Before we jump into the list of liver-destroying foods, let's take a moment to appreciate just how important the liver is to your overall health. You might know that the liver filters toxins out of your blood, but did you know it's also responsible for producing bile to help digest fats, storing vitamins and minerals, and even regulating blood sugar levels? In short, your liver is a workhorse. It's like the body's own detoxifying factory, and it runs 24/7. However, if you keep overloading it with harmful foods, it can't keep up, and that's when serious health issues can arise. Fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and liver failure are just some of the potential outcomes of poor liver health. So, let's treat this vital organ with the care it deserves by learning which foods to avoid. 1. Salty products. We all know that too much salt is bad for blood pressure, but did you know it's also one of your liver's biggest enemies? Excess salt means excess sodium, and overloading on sodium can lead to water retention, which puts extra pressure on your kidneys and liver. Why it's harmful? High sodium levels disrupt your body's water balance, impair kidney function, and make it harder for your liver to filter toxins. How to fix it? Keep your sodium intake in check by avoiding processed and canned foods. Instead, season your meals with natural herbs, spices, or a squeeze of lemon. Trust me, your liver will thank you. 2. Fried foods. Picture this. You're biting into a crispy, golden French fry. Delicious, right? But here's the catch, your liver hates it. Fried foods are loaded with unhealthy fats that cause inflammation and increase the risk of fatty liver disease. Why it's harmful? The oils used for frying food are often high in trans fats, which can build up in your liver, leading to fatty liver disease. Plus, the breading and batter can be hard for your digestive system to break down, adding extra stress on your liver. How to fix it? If you love crispy foods, try air frying your meals or opting for baked alternatives. You'll get that satisfying crunch without all the harmful fats. 3. Spicy spices. If you're a fan of spicy food, this one might sting a little. Spices can make your food taste amazing, but too much heat can actually overwhelm your liver. Why it's harmful? Excessive spicy foods force your liver to produce more bile to help digest them. Over time, this can lead to a buildup of bile in your bile ducts, increasing your risk of gallstones or even fatty liver disease. How to fix it? Don't ditch the spice completely. Just tone it down a bit. If you love heat, opt for mild spices like paprika or a dash of cayenne pepper instead of overly fiery options. 4. Red meat. Red meat is rich in protein, which your body needs, but too much of it can spell trouble for your liver. Why it's harmful? Excess protein, especially from red meat, can overwhelm your liver, forcing it to work harder to break down the protein into toxins. This overload can lead to liver dysfunction and fat buildup. How to fix it? Opt for leaner sources of protein, such as chicken, turkey, or fish. These proteins are easier for your liver to process, and they come with fewer unhealthy fats. 5. Sweet carbonated drinks. Do you reach for a cold soda when you're thirsty? It might be refreshing, but it's one of the worst things you can do to your liver. Why it's harmful? Sweetened carbonated drinks are packed with refined sugars and high fructose corn syrup, both of which are processed in your liver. Over time, consuming these sugary drinks leads to fat accumulation in your liver, increasing your risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. How to fix it? Swap your soda for sparkling water flavored with natural fruit slices. You'll still get the fizz without the sugar, and your liver will breathe a sigh of relief. 6. Fatty foods. We all love indulging in a greasy burger or a slice of pizza, but those high-fat foods are doing more harm than you think. Why it's harmful? Saturated fats, commonly found in junk food, increase cholesterol levels and cause inflammation in liver tissue. Over time, this can lead to cirrhosis and even liver cancer. How to fix it? Focus on healthier fats like those found in nuts, avocados, and olive oil. These fats are beneficial to your heart and liver alike. 7. Canned fruits. You might think fruit is healthy no matter what, but canned fruits are another story. Often packed with syrups and sugars, they can overload your liver with fructose. Why it's harmful? Unlike glucose, which is metabolized directly by your body cells, fructose has to be processed by the liver. Too much of it can lead to fat buildup and liver dysfunction. How to fix it? Fresh or frozen fruits are much better alternatives to canned options. If you must go with canned, look for no sugar added options or those packed in water. 8. Sweets. We all have a sweet tooth now and then, but indulging too much in sugary treats like cakes, cookies, and candies can cause long-term damage to your liver. Why it's harmful? Sugary foods cause a spike in blood sugar levels, which forces your liver to work harder to regulate them. Over time, the excess sugar can get stored as fat in the liver, contributing to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. How to fix it? Swap sugary desserts for natural options like fruit salads or yogurt with honey. If you need a treat, look for sweets made with less sugar and fewer artificial ingredients. 9. Alcohol. This one shouldn't come as a surprise. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver disease. Why it's harmful? Alcohol is a toxin that your liver has to break down. Drinking too much in a short time period can overwhelm your liver's detoxification process, leading to inflammation, scarring, and eventually cirrhosis. How to fix it? Practice moderation. Stick to recommended limits, 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men, and give your liver time to recover between drinking sessions. 10. Canned foods. Many canned goods, from soups to vegetables, are loaded with sodium for preservation purposes. While it may keep the food from spoiling, it's not doing your liver any favors. Why it's harmful? Just like salty snacks, canned foods are often high in sodium, which can cause water retention and put additional pressure on your liver and kidneys. How to fix it? Always opt for fresh or frozen produce when possible. If you must use canned goods, look for low-sodium versions or rinse the contents before cooking to reduce the salt content. Now, the good news: here are 4 foods to help heal your liver. After learning about all these harmful foods, you might be wondering, so what should I be eating to help my liver? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's take a look at 4 powerhouse foods that can help restore and maintain your liver's health. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a liver-loving food that helps activate enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from your body. How it helps? The sulfur compounds and allicin in garlic aid in cleansing the liver, breaking down harmful substances, and keeping your liver cells in top shape. How to use it? Add fresh garlic to your meals for a natural detox boost. Just remember, less is more. A clove or 2 is plenty. 2. Coffee. Surprising, right? It turns out that your morning cup of joe is actually a friend to your liver. How it helps? Studies show that coffee reduces the risk of cirrhosis and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease by lowering fat levels in the liver and boosting antioxidants. How to use it? Stick to black coffee with minimal sugar or cream. 2 cups a day can do wonders. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Rich in antioxidants, pumpkin seeds are great for liver health. How it helps? They contain healthy fats, proteins, and vitamin E, all of which protect your liver from damage and inflammation. How to use it? Snack on pumpkin seeds or sprinkle them on salads and smoothies for an extra health boost. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula help stimulate the flow of bile, which aids in digestion and detoxification. How it helps? These greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps cleanse the liver by absorbing toxins and neutralizing heavy metals. How to use it? Incorporate leafy greens into your diet by adding them to smoothies, salads, or as a side dish with your meals. Your liver works hard for you every day, so why not return the favor? Start cutting back on harmful foods and introduce liver-friendly options into your daily meals. Your body, and your liver, will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of that liver.